stuck, sober thoughts, yeah. And is it me that you want, me that you want? 'Cause yeah, I can't be without you. I'm tryna go without you. Tryna go tomorrow. 'Cause without your love I go crazy. You got me thinking you maybe tonight.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and happy Thanksgiving to everyone. So in today's video, I'm just going to be doing a quick chit chat, get ready with me, and I'm actually running late, so I might want to hurry up and like not do too much talking. It is November 28th and it is Thanksgiving, so me and my mom are just going to go over to my brother's house. This is the Morphe 3503 Fierce by Nature palette. I'm going to do a natural look today because I'm going out into the real world and I don't have time for people to be talking about me looking like a clown with all those colors on my eyes. First shade I'm going to take is this shade right here called Disrupt. I'm going to blend it into my crease. It's a little bit on the orangey side. Quick and easy. What are you guys doing for Thanksgiving? Or should I say, what did you guys do for Thanksgiving? Given that this video is going to be posted like probably like the next day or like a few days after. So the next color I'm going to take is this shade right here called Stamina. I wanted to try to make it over to Best Buy today, but they don't open until 5 tonight because of the whole Black Friday sale thing going on. So I guess I'll head over there after I leave my brother's house because I really do need my USB cord so that I can see myself on my computer screen. Even though there's a LCD screen on my camera, it's so far away from me, I can't even touch it. Like, I can't even see what I look like. I can't see if I'm in focus. So me using a monitor is absolutely necessary. So I'm definitely gonna go pick up one of those tonight as soon as Best Buy opens. The next shade I'm gonna take is this shade right here called Trance, and I'm gonna pop that all over the lid. This one may be too light. That's really light. This is like the only natural type looking makeup I know how to do. I'm gonna take this shade right here called OG. I'm gonna take a little bit of this shade called the OG. And we're gonna pop that on the lid. Yeah, I like that shade better. That shade is much cuter. Kind of like a peachy terracotta looking color. I'm gonna bring that up into the crease just a little bit up here. All right, you guys, so next I am taking the Pat McGrath eyeliner. I'm not gonna make a wing, but I am going to draw a very thin line of eyeliner. And I lied, I think I could do like a small wing, but I'm not gonna do anything crazy, so. That's what that little wing looks like. Look how little and cute it is. Oh my goodness, that's so ugly, y'all. Guys, my makeup always turns out hideous anytime I'm trying to go somewhere. That is why if I'm going to like a very important event, I have to get ready like hours ahead of time. Otherwise, my makeup is just not gonna turn out the way that I want it to. We're gonna go ahead and pop on our lashes. I am using the Teddy lashes, which is the second pair. Kiss Cosmetics, if you're watching this, you guys should really send me like a lifetime supply of the Teddy lashes. These are amazing. For face primer, I'm going to use the Milk Hydro Grip Primer because I definitely want my makeup to last pretty much all day if possible. So with this primer, you really have to give it like 30 seconds to dry and get tacky because if not, your foundation will look super patchy, it will separate, it will look a mess. While we're letting our primer get a little tacky, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some mascara to my lashes so everything can look nice and blended. For foundation, I am using one foundation today. Yes, can you believe it's not even my color, but guess what? I'm gonna use it anyway. This is the NARS foundation stick in the shade Benars Dark 3. So I'm super excited this foundation finally came in the mail, y'all. I love this foundation so much. And I literally have been waiting for this foundation. So I'm just gonna take my beauty blender and I'm going to blend out this foundation. Now, this is not a full coverage foundation. You can definitely still see some of my discoloration through the skin. It smells a little bit weird. I was going to color correct, but then I was like, you know what? I want to look nice and natural and soft, so I'm not going to color correct. I changed my mind. This is actually the No Filter Concealer, and this one is in the shade Dark 42. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of highlighting underneath my eyes. Oh y'all, this is very light. On my nose, my forehead, Cupid's bow, and my chin. My beauty blender hopefully doesn't look too white, because at this point, y'all, I need everything to go okay, because I don't have time for any mistakes right now. It's doing some weird stuff, y'all. It's doing some weird stuff. Okay, so why is it separating right here on my cheek? That looks so disgusting. I was telling you guys that I kind of jacked my skin up like last week. If you ever see, or even if you have the Drunk Elephant Passion Eye retinol face cream, throw it away. My skin literally had severe burns on my chest, on my face, and my skin is actually still trying to recover. And I think that's why it's like separating right here. My makeup is not blending seamlessly, because I think that's where it still like has to peel. But it really jacked my skin up, and I will never use it again. This is what I was afraid was going to happen, and it's actually happening. My nose, it's separating on my nose. The concealer is separating underneath my eyes. And it just looks really, really bad. Like, I want to go wash my face off right now, but I'm not going to do that. I just pray I can get it to be like decent looking, because this is terrible. I'm going to try and use my beauty blender to set underneath my eyes. Or you know what, matter of fact, I'm going to use my Laura Mercier sponge to take my Beauty Bakery setting powder in the shade Almond. And I'm going to try to set underneath my eyes. And prayerfully this can be fixed, because I'm not about to go wash my face off after I sit here and did all that. Okay, so this setting powder basically just changed the color of my concealer, but whatever. So I'm going to take this dark shade right here called Abby, which I already know it's too dark. But I'm just going to take some of that, and I'm going to, oh. Okay. It's okay. I didn't know that stuff was gonna be that dark, but we're, oh, wow, okay. All right, so I didn't know this was gonna be this dark, so I'm gonna try and blend it out as best as I can. It's a little bit on the red side, and I totally didn't even expect it to look that, I mean, I know Juvia's Place is pigmented on its own anyways, but I certainly didn't expect for the pigment to come off like that. That is just so freaking dark. Today is just not my day. It's just not my day. It's not. Now for the nose contour, I'm just going to take an angled brush, and I am going to, instead of going in with the Juvia's Place, because the Juvia's Place is just so harsh looking, I'm going to take my Hoola Toasted Bronzer, contour my nose to the best of my abilities. I will take a little bit of my Laura Mercier translucent powder and clean up this contour a little bit. So this is what it looks like. So far, so good. I mean, it's not, well, you know, not good, but so far, this is what it looks like. I'm taking this shade right here called Toby, which is very orange. You only need a tiny amount because it's really pigmented, and I don't want my cheeks to look red or orange. So I'm just going to give myself a little bit of color. Like so. I am using the Jeffree Star Skin Frost in the shade, or no, this is the Supreme Frost in the shade Caramel Kiss. Do you like that wet skin look? I don't want to go too ham with highlighter because I want to keep it on the soft and natural side. I am going to use the Versali Rose Gold Elixir Setting Spray, or no, this is the Rose Gold Skin Mist. I am using the MAC Chestnut Lip Liner, and I'm going to lightly line my lips. For lip gloss, I am using the Bare Minerals lip gloss in the shade Yes. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look. Go ahead and take my hair down. All right, you guys, so this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. And once again, happy Thanksgiving to everyone. If you guys enjoyed this chit chat, get ready with me. Definitely give it a thumbs up. But before you go, if you are not already subscribed, girl, hit that subscribe button so that you do not miss another video, honey. Also turn on your post notification bell so that you are always notified whenever new content is uploaded here on my channel. You do not want to miss out. But yeah, happy Turkey Day, everyone. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.